China just launched the world's first operating system for quantum computers. And if you're in cybersecurity and you're not paying attention to this, you're already behind. Let me explain why this changes everything. China's Origin Pilot is the first OS built specifically to run quantum computers. Think of it like Windows, but instead of managing your files and apps, it manages quantum circuits, coordinates quantum hardware, and lets developers actually build real software on top of quantum machines. Before this, quantum computing was raw, unstable, and almost impossible to scale. This OS changes that. It's the moment quantum goes from a science experiment to a real platform. And that platform will be used to break things, including your encryption. Here's the threat in plain English. Every time you open HTTPS, use a VPN, send an encrypted email, or log into a server over SSH, you're trusting RSA or elliptic curve encryption. These algorithms are secure because factoring massive numbers is impossibly hard for normal computers. A quantum computer running something called Schiess algorithm can factor those numbers efficiently. RSA 2048, which would take a classical computer longer than the age of the universe, falls in hours on a powerful quantum machine. Now here's the part that should genuinely concern you right now. There's an attack strategy called harvest now, decrypt later. Nation-state actors are already intercepting and storing encrypted traffic today. Your company's emails, transactions, sensitive communications, even though they can't read it yet. They're waiting. When quantum computers are ready, they'll decrypt everything they've collected. That data from 2024 could be exposed in 2030. The good news, the world is already working on a fix. NIST finalized post-quantum cryptography standards in 2024. Two algorithms you need to know: Crystal's Kyber for key exchange and Crystal's dilithium for digital signatures. These are mathematically designed to resist quantum attacks. Google, Cloudflare, and Apple are already testing these. The US government has mandated federal agencies start migrating. But most companies? Most apps? They haven't even started thinking about this. That gap between the threat and the preparedness is your opportunity as a security professional. 3 things. 1. Audit where your organization uses RSA, ECC, or Diffie-Hellman. That's your quantum attack surface. 2. Start learning post-quantum cryptography. NIST's documentation is free. It's a skill almost nobody in your team has yet. 3. Bring the harvest now, decrypt later risk to your leadership. This isn't a future problem. The data collection is happening today. China's Origin Pilot is a signal. The quantum era isn't coming, it's being built. The defenders who prepare now are the ones who stay relevant. Comment below, is your organization quantum ready? Like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.